Hello guys, I will show you how to extract Snap Jingle Player v2.4.4 installer package. First, go to your downloaded Snap Jingle Player v2 installer. Right-click, Snap Jingle Player v2 installer, then open with WinRAR. Then, select Snap Jingle Player v2 folder, then drag it on desktop, or you can extract it anywhere you want. Then enter password. Get the password provided by us. After extracting, open Snap Jingle Player v2 folder. Inside, look for Snap Program. Right-click Snap Program, then Show More. Select Send to Desktop. Create shortcut. Then right-click Snap Program, then Run as Administrator. And that's it. You have now the latest Snap Jingle Player, version 2.4.4. Just load your Snap playlist or create your new playlist. For more info on how to Avail, visit or PM us on our Facebook page.